Hi everyone, I'm Sharon by Grace Tax Services. I am your host, Linda Likely. I want to go over some quick information with you guys about the portal step by step, and then also I want to invite you all to the free webinar because it's so important for you to know all the information about the new tax law updates before you start completing your tax returns. Okay, so much important information that if you don't know it, you could end up possibly messing yourself up this year. So you see me already on By Grace Tax Services Facebook page. Also, I'm going to take you there. There you click this link right here, and this will take you when you get on our Facebook page to quickly so I can to schedule. I got information for completing your tax return tomorrow. We have all your information, and then it will be transmitted to the IRS. So when they open up on the official date, now they don't have an official date, but when they do, if you submit it and you complete it and it's transmitted, then when it opens up all of your the same time, important for you. So you go here, Facebook role as an and to be added as well, book publishing. So we schedule an appointment. Right now, the tax office is not finished, but we're doing virtual. The portal is secure. You can, yes, complete your tax preparation on the portal. I'm taking you step by step. So with the virtual tax preparation, which is in 50 states, you can do it at home or on the go. You should see 1 hour. You should see me. Later, you will see my son, Barry Likely Jr. on there when the official date start submitting. He will be added to the portal as well. So those who want to schedule an appointment with him will also can schedule with him. So you go here and let's just say that you want to schedule an appointment for 10 a.m. You hit 10 a.m. and hit continue. Then you will register. So you got to fill out all the information to have an account to be registered. You could put your phone, your email, first and last name, mobile phone number. You see it here as well. The preferred phone for appointment is up here, and also your mobile phone. So I can call you if you want to do Zoom, face-to-face, messenger, virtually. You can do it that way and then put your notes. But we're going to be in constant contact by inbox, by phone, whichever way, by email. If you want to do, like I said, the Skype, the Zoom meeting, whichever you want to do, and then you just confirm your booking when you get through, and I will be able to get all your information. Now, going back here to this, yes. So when you get through with everything and I approve everything, you want to upload your documents here. Your W-2s, your driver's license, your social security card. If you have self-employment information, all the information is, and you can complete it through here. And I'll be in constant contact, completing everything. And also to be able to do your signature, I will send you also a link for you to sign and do everything on your text, on your W-2, whatever it is, your document title, your message, you want to send me your email, first and last name, and then you just, when you get through, you submit it, all your information. And we'll go step by step. Now, I want to go share with you guys how to, my eyes are watering, excuse me, guys. Attend the free webinar. It's so important that you attend. You do not want to miss this amazing webinar. Reserve your seat today. Our speaker will be me. All the information is listed, the time, what I'll be talking about, and then you just put your email and your first and last name, and then you're registered. And then when I get your email, then I'll be able to send you all the information back to your email on all the information that's needed for you to attend. But I invite you, so important that you know and understand it, because like I said, you could possibly mess yourself up, okay? So you don't want to miss this amazing webinar before you complete your tax return early, okay? So much information you need to know about the tax law updates if you don't already know it, okay? I thank you all for watching, and I will keep you updated with more information as it comes, okay?